So friends, in that no direct relation between quantity of the volume of, you can say quantity, you can say volume of the production and production. It has noise, fixed cost. If the production is 0, then also it will be 100 in the according to this hypothetical example. If production is 60, then also it is 100, and when production is 50, then also it is 100. That means no any changes occurred due to increase the quantity of a commodities production. So there is no relation between the production units and fixed cost. So you can say it is always fixed maybe when production remains 0 or production is going to increase. There is no relationship between fixed cost and volume of the production. Now next one is the variable cost. What do you mean by the variable cost? This one already we have compared. I just revised now, so your concept will be easy and clear. Now next one is the variable cost. What do you mean by the variable cost? Variable cost, that means when cost incurred on variable factors by producer is called variable cost. Easy? You can complete this sentence from here. So when the cost incurred on, you can highlight this sentence, you can open the textbook, and with me only you can highlight this one. When cost incurred on variable factors by producer is called variable cost. Okay. In the short term, with the change in quantity of production, cost also changes. With the increase in the production, cost also increases, and with the decrease in the production, cost also decreases. If production is 0, then the cost, which cost? Variable cost is also 0. It means it has the direct relationship between quantity of the production and variable cost. That means whenever production is increased, variable cost also increase. When production remains 0, variable cost also 0. So variable cost is also known as unstable or direct or main cost. Okay, what do you mean by the unstable cost? Then you can write its meaning only same. What do you mean by the direct cost? Then also you write same. What do you mean by the main cost? Then also you can write same answer. So please don't create any confusion if you are going to complete it. Don't create any confusion in your mind. Okay. Now next one is the this cost has direct relationship with quantity of the production. What type of relation? Direct relation. That means due to increase the quantity of the production, variable cost also increase, and due to decrease the quantity of the production, variable cost also decrease. So in variable cost, we can say it has the direct relationship with production, quantity of the product. Quantity is production quantity. Okay. So now we have the example. And for that, what type of cost you can include? In the variable cost, these things are included here. Price of raw material, energy consumption, what type of energy or fuel we are using, it, how much we have consumed. So it is consumption. Due to increase the production, energy consumption also increase. So we can say it has also direct relationship. Now next one is the transportation expenditure. If commodities are transferred from one place to another place, then also this one expenditure will be done by them. Otherwise no expenditures. So if quantity is 0, then this production cost also will be remain 0. Labor wages. These all are not permanent labor. These are due to increase the production. Whatever requirement the production unit has, these labors will be appointed on that. That means when production will increase, these labors will be appointed. If this production has not increased, then this type of labors will not appoint and no need to give any wages to them. Okay, so this expenditure will remain 0 when production is 0. Next one is the tax on production and salaries. These all are included in the variable cost. Okay. Difference between fixed cost and variable cost is possible in short time period. Because of in short time period, fixed factors and variable factors are different. But in the long time period, This all are included in the variable cost. Okay. It is also an answer. So please friends, properly you revise this answer. Okay. Now next one is when production is zero, variable cost is zero. But as production increase, variable cost also increase. We can complete this topic, this type of sentence in this table. Look at in this table, we have written unit of the output. Second side is the total variable cost. What cost we are discussing now? Total variable cost. Okay, so you can write this meaning for the total variable cost also. Total variable cost. First one is the when zero unit output is there, then variable cost also zero. But do you know, friends, when I explain same answer for the same meaning for the fixed cost, that time I mentioned here when output is zero, fixed cost is 100. When output is 50, then also it is 100. But here you can see when output is zero, then variable cost is zero. You can see here when output is zero, variable cost also zero. When production is increasing, output is increasing, variable cost also increasing from 0 to 80, 150, 210, 290 according to increase the production 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Then production cost also increase from 80 to 150, 150 to 210 and 290. When production is 50, then total variable cost is 390. That means what? Due to increase the production, variable cost also increasing. Okay, but fixed cost has fixed. Here we can draw the diagram. In this diagram, first one OX axis is showing the. It is the OX axis. Is OX. Clear? And this axis is showing the output in units. No need to write anything by yourself already, which you have written in that table. First side, which is the independent value. Independent value is what? Unit of output. This we will show on the OX axis. So we have written same thing on OX axis. This one we have written on the OX axis. Nothing any new. This one only written here. Okay. On the O axis, this one is O axis. It is OY. On this OY axis, variable cost is here, total variable cost. Okay. So when output is 0 to 10, output is 0, variable cost also 0. Okay. If focus on this production also, then only we can measure it. When production is 10, the variable cost is increased 0 to 80. Then again it has increased 10 to 20. Then variable cost also increased 80 to 150. So B point we got. Third one is when we increased the as a producer increased production 20 to 30. Then production cost is 210. Then again production increased 30 to 40. Then production cost has increased by 280. Okay, in this table you can check because 290 sir. 290. Okay. Then when production is 50, this one it has increased from 40 to 50. Then its cost is 390. Here is this point is actually. So we can join this all dots. These are initially point A, B, C, D, E. This initially point we join to each other and we will get the curve. This point if I will join A to B, B to C, C to D and D to E, then I will get this curve. This curve slope will left to right upward. That means it is increasing according to increase the production. It's known as TVS. TVS that means what? TVS that means total variable cost curve. Total variable cost TVS. Okay. And our topic is over. Next topic we will discuss next week. Okay, friends, this much you have to complete in your notebook. First, you have to sure this. If you will not start practice, you will not get it. Without practice, you cannot draw curve. And in the next exam also, if you are have unit test 4, 100% probability economics related this chapters will be 8, and that time if you are not drawing these diagrams, then you will not get full out of full marks. And please you try to draw without any copy. If you will draw again and again, you will practice for this. These all are very easy to do. If you are not drawing, then these are very complicated. Okay. So friends, you draw this all. You will draw fast very well. Because of this, all are depend on the practice. Without practice, you cannot draw well, clean, and clear and fast. So you start practice for this all. And if in any question diagram is there without any fill, maybe in the question they have not asked about the diagram, draw the diagram, this word is not there. Instead of that, if the topic is there, I like what do you mean by the total variable cost? Write it. Put 2 marks if the question is 2 marks. So first one sentence we have to write, then we have draw only diagram. No need to draw table, only diagram we fast read, then we will get marks. Okay. Full out of 4 marks we will get. If the question is in 3 marks, then we have to write first meaning, write a short note on total variable cost for 3 mark questions. First of all, we have to write means of the total variable cost, then we have to draw table. After table, we have to draw diagram, this diagram, and then after diagram, we have to explain this explanation also, analysis. So, money करने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. You have to just whatever you have done, you have to write this one by one step. Whatever step you have completed, same thing you write. Then you can get this all points. No need to mugging these all points. You can easily write because whatever you have drawn, that this thing only we are going to explain here. First one is the, we have to draw no x-axis, so we will write here O x-axis showing the total output of the any production. Okay. Then what you have written on the y-axis, same thing we have to write here, but you have to write in point. First point, second point, third point, like so it will be easy to explain and attractive and good presentation. So you have to draw diagram, then after you have to explain this all points in analysis. Next one is the y-axis total variable cost in rupees. Then third point is production increase from 10, 20, 30. Total variable cost also increases from 80 to 150 and 210 and so on. Total variable cost, next one, okay. Total variable cost has positive slope from initially point. It is initially point. Oh, from here it is initially point. So from here it has a positive slope, left to right upward. So what we have written, same thing which we have drawn here. Same thing we are writing. So its variable cost has positive slope from initial point as it increase at decreasing rate. Why it is decreasing rate? Because of, I will explain, decreasing rate initially. Later on, it increasing rate. You can see here, it has increased by 80 to 150, 150 to 210, 210 to 290, and then 390 fast. So first it has increased by slow rate. Then after a particular point, it has start to increase very fast. So same thing we have written here. It has increased at decreasing rate. Decreasing rate मतलब कि अगर 80 था तो 80 का डबल 160 होना चाहिए था. But here only 150. So it has increased at decreasing rate. You got this line? It increases at decreasing rate because of it has increased by 80 to 150. Then 200 only. 150, 150. Because of it has increased from 20 to 30, so it have to 160, then after 240. But here it has not 240, it is 200 only. So it has increases a decreasing rate. Initially, later on it has increased rate. Increased rate, that means here it has 290, but after 290 it has increased fast. Okay. After 210 also it has increased very fast. 210, then 80 again, then 80 tried it, 100, 292, 390. So after later on it has increasing by increasing rate, but before that it has increases 8 decreasing rate. This one has over. So in short run, fixed cost is fixed, but variable cost keeps on changing. This cost is direct relation. That means what? Variable cost. Variable cost PC. We are discussing about the PC. Okay. Variable cost is variable cost has direct relation. Variable cost is direct relation with production. That's why Professor Alfred Marshall said that the variable cost is main cost. Who said that variable cost is main cost? Professor Alfred Marshall said that variable cost is main. Okay. Now we have done this topic. I hope you got it. We will start next topic next week. During this time period, you revise yourself and complete your topic and learn also start to drawing practice for this diagram. Then only you can do properly and well diagrams. Otherwise, it's very complicated to draw this whole diagrams properly, neat and fast. Okay, friends, try for this, practice for this, and revise same topic at your home. If you have any query, personally message me. I will solve your doubt. Thank you very much. Be happy.